couple features of the bed is, first of all, it has a lowered heel section so that it reduces the amount of pressure that the patient who's in bed has there. You know, the three main areas that you have to protect are the heels, the sacral area, and the shoulders. This bed incorporates gel honeycomb in those two other areas, plus a reduced lower area here. And it also has a little bit of magic to it. It turns, rotates, and gets that person into a position very similar to a lift chair. Doesn't actually help them stand up, but it gets them to a position where they can stand up on their own. So, and it does that with one control. So if you'll just give me a little bit of space, all I have to do is hold the button for exit of the bed down. It's going to catch the lower level so that the client doesn't slide down. It's going to raise the head section, and then once it gets to the proper position, it's going to auto rotate. So it's just going to bring the patient around and then lower the front section of the bed. This is the nice magic part of it. So it gets them to a position so that you can exit the bed, or as a caregiver, if I have to help them, it's an open frame, so I can help them out of bed without bending my back.